Hello and welcome along to Adobe Muse Basics with your host Robert Smith. In this part 8 we're going to add some content to our web page. Okay, so to do that I need to go to my web page. I'm simply going to go back to Plan View and double click on my web page, and here I am. Okay, go on the cursor. Now we don't need this anymore, this word that says web. That was just there as a placeholder, so I'll just delete that. Okay, so I'm going to go actually back to my home page, make sure I'm on the text layer like this over here. Go back to my home page by clicking up here. I'm going to select this text here, Command C, like that, and copy it. And I'm going to go back to my web page by clicking up here like that. I'm going to go Edit, Paste in Place, like that. And that'll place it in exactly the same place it was on the other page, but we don't really want it there. We'll just hold the Shift key and the arrows and just move it up to the top to about there is what we want. Okay, we're going to place this in between all our images. So let's get some images to put in there. To do that, I'm going to go to File, Place, like this, and I've got some images down here that I want to, so these web images. I'm going to select the first one, hold the Shift key down, and just open like that. And now I've got a loaded cursor. Actually, that's not the picture I want first, so I'm going to press the up arrow, that's the one I want first, and I want it to be about there. Up arrow again, that's the second one, and that's the third one, and that's the fourth one. Now to move those into place, it's quite simple. Just simply drag them like that and place them in position like this. I'm just dragging that down there like that. I love these smart guides. It makes life really easy. As you just drag it into position, it shows you that it's lining up correctly. Very nice. So I'll just drag that to about there. Okay, that's looking good. Now I've made a mistake, of course. I've put them on the wrong layer, so that's really easily fixed. I'll just select them all with the Shift key down like that, and I'll just grab them on this little green light here and drag them up to the images layer. And now they're all on the images layer, which is the correct layer. Okay, back to my text layer. I'm going to copy that text at the top, Command C, and I'm just going to paste it in place. Actually, I should go up there so we can see it. I'll go Edit, Paste in Place, so it's in exactly the same spot. And then I'll click and start to drag with the Shift key held down like this, and just move it down here. And that's some text. You might want to put a description of these images and what they're all about. Okay, let's place another image. I'm going to go to Place like this, and I've got this screen grab of a website that I did, so let's have a look at that. This is all done in something called Flash, which has been a bit depreciated. Again, I've made the same mistake, so I'll just Apple Z that. I'm going to go to my images layer to paste it. Make sure I put it on the right layer. It's imperative that you do that. So there you go, I'll put that about there. Looking good. Okay, I'm going to copy that text again, Command C, and Edit, Paste in Place, like that. And then I'm just going to hold the Shift key down and click and drag down, so it now goes underneath there, and that can be a description of that page, like this. Okay, let's place another image. File, Place, and I've got web image 6 down here. It's a bit difficult to grab, so I'll just go down here and grab it like that. Yes, it is a bit difficult to grab, so what I might do, I might just view it like this. View it as icons to make life a bit easier. I'll just grab that one and open like that. Then I'm going to click down here and move it down into place, just underneath there like this. Again, another screen grab from a website I did, like this. I'll do the same with the text, Command C, copy it, then Edit, Paste in Place, and with the Shift key down, click and just drag it down underneath like this. And let's do another one. File, Place, In this case here, I'm going to do image 7. I'm going to open that and place it in here like that. Fits in nicely. Copy the text, Command C, edit, paste in place. Move up a little bit, hold the Shift key down and move this down underneath like that. And one more for good luck. I'm going to place like this. I've got this one here. Open that, click place, move down a little bit. This is a screen grab from a physiotherapist website I did. Like that. And that's about it. So I'll grab the text, Command C, and edit, paste in place. Grab it, hold the Shift key down and drag it down a little bit underneath like that. Okay, so let's just save that. Let's preview that. Let's preview the whole site in a browser like this. Takes a little while because there's a few images involved, and here we are on the home page. If we go to the web page like this, we now can go through and look at all our work. Now we can spend time spacing that out correctly, but you get the idea. Doing screen grabs from websites you've done, and call that the web section. Okay, that page is complete, and you'll notice we still have our pinned icons over here on every page. Okay, thanks for watching.